Welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car Channel. Today we're putting the starter in the Mustang. Join me in the venture. Alright, so we're just trying to get to this thing and see where everything is. First things first, I'm going to take that cable off. That should be a half. And we've unplugged the battery already. Alright, so now we're going to try to get in here, get to these nuts, bolts, I'm sorry. This is half an inch. Well, this is difficult to get into. Broke free. Alright, so that one's loose. Now we just gotta get this top one. Alright, so we're battling this back beast here. Okay, so I finally got it to break free. I put a adjustable wrench on the end of it. It has like a little hole in it, like so. I put that on top, and that seemed to work on it. Alright, so coming from the side is definitely the way to go here, not from the front. It's a lot easier coming from the side. Probably ultimately it would have been easier underneath, but I don't want to crawl underneath. So we're just backing these out, and hopefully we'll just pull this whole thing out. Alright. He's got this last little wee fella. Looks like the transmission oil filling tube is connected to it as well. It's out. It's just sitting on it. That's all. So we're going to support the weight. Go ahead and pull this out. Also has this, probably a grounding cable would be my guess, on it that I saw, and then we just kind of work to pull this thing out. There it goes. Alright, so here's the new one. 1 year roadside assistance, congratulations, blah 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 blah. Alright, what's this? Starter, 5-step quick guide, turn key off, insert memory saver, disconnect battery cable. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what all this junk is. Alright, so that's how you troubleshoot it. Which, a little late if you've already bought the thing, in my opinion. So here it says, before you return this port to the store, we have technicians willing to help. Okay, great, thanks. So there it is. There it is. It's all nice and clean, pretty. It's a pretty thing. Won't be for long, I guess. Alright, so we're going to put this thing in here. Or at least attempt to. Without dropping it. Alright, looks like the bottom one's going to be the easiest to get on. Alright, there we go. The threads have now started. It's fantastic. Good news there. Good news. Alright, so we had to fight the battle, but I think we kind of got it, finally. So we're going to tighten this thing up. The idea, again, it is so tight in here to get to this top bolt. This top bolt's the hardest of any of them. Alright, so we're going to try to line all this up before we tighten up anything else. Are you kidding me? Struggle here is real, y'all. We're just fighting this bolt right here, getting everything to line up. I guess if it wasn't a fight, it wouldn't be a classic car. It's totally out right now. There we go. Why was all that necessary? So I guess the secret is to go with the middle bolt. And then the top. So now this top bolt's really putting up a fight. And I can't really see it. Alright, so I think we finally got the bolt holes to line up. That was the most aggravating thing I've ever experienced. It just didn't, everything just didn't want to line up. And yeah, you're like leaning over the engine. Definitely don't want to tighten this up without having all of them started. That's for sure. Ah, dropped it. Alright, so we kind of got that center bolt finally going. Now we're going after this hard one up here. The starter is not easy to replace. Just in and of itself. It's one of those I thought, oh, it would just be an hour or two. Yeah, it's turning in 3 or 4 hours. I mean, really, it's just three bolts and the bolt holding the cable on. But it's just a hard place to get. So we're gonna come down here to this bad boy right here. That should be a lot of finger tightness. All right. So that's all on there now. I'm back this thing out a little bit. Yeah. Slap that on there. I'll wire brush that real quick. Alright, so we cleaned it up. You slap it on like that. You put the washer on. And then you screw this down like so. And then you find a ratchet of some sort. There we go. That's how you put it on. So it's late, so I'm going to clean up and get ready. We'll try this out on another day. Well, it's well past supper time and it's pizza night. So I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care.